Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn unlimited cash in My Perfect Hotel. So to earn unlimited cash, of course, in your perfect hotel, it is not that hard of a thing to do. Of course, what you can do is simply, of course, to earn your unlimited cash legally in My Perfect Hotel, you'll have to focus on maximizing the in-game opportunities without like trying to go for hacks or maybe any unauthorized methods. So basically, you can utilize the latest game codes to receive some free cash bonuses. You can redeem, as example, some codes like to get, of course, like not that much of a cash, but you can get like 50 cash per each code, I guess. You can find a lot of codes online you'll be able to find. Other than redeeming codes, of course, you can start optimizing the hotel operation because efficient management of your hotel can significantly help you boost your earnings. Make sure to upgrade your rooms, make sure to have a cleaner, hire some staff, employees like cleaners and receptionists to automate like tasks, allowing you to focus just on expansion. You'll just have to go collect gold and go and expand an example. So as you can see, now it will be a little bit boring, especially in the beginning. If you're doing everything by your own, you'll have to go and clean each room, and it is really bad. So if I want to earn more cash very fast, instead of going clean everything by my own, I can go here and hire a cleaner. Other than that, of course, make sure to expand facilities as soon as you have money for it. A lot of facilities means that you will be able to obviously like have tax or tasks like be faster. That means you can gain more cash. Of course, you can also utilize the daily reward quests and also rewards, of course, each day because sometimes you can get like, oh, you need to watch ads. And if you watch ads, of course, you will be able to get the option to just go and get a free cash. It is very simple. For example, here I'm just going to hire a cleaner and it will help me clean the houses. You can also like have here a bathroom and just expand your facilities as much as possible. Of course, at the moment I have one cleaner and the cleaner is taking some time. So I can just go here and help her like clean other rooms. And so I can have like more cash. So other than watching in-game advertisements, because it's very good as an example, sometimes even here you can find like watch ad and get like 20, I don't know, 20 cash, 50 cash. Of course, you can also like buy it if you want. You can buy those gems by your own money and get cash, as you can see with it. Some options like this one will be some good offers, so you can get no ads and a lot of gems and a lot of tokens that you can do a lot of things with it. As you can see, there's also the premium pack, which you can get more stuff. As an example, if you go and click on get it, and they are not like that expensive, but it's totally up to you. Of course, if you don't want to pay, it's very reasonable. So other than that, of course, you just have to maximize your idle earnings. As an example, we're not actively playing. You can accumulate it cash, like stay logged in, leave the game running, and it will generate passive income for you, especially if you have staff. If you have, as an example, a receptionist, if you have a lot of cleaners, you can just go and ask here, as an example, collecting cash and let the game work. And of course, for online or offline earnings, some game features allow you to collect earnings occurred during your absence, but it's not reliable, so don't like go through them. So just ensure your device settings, an example, have the game running in the background if you want to do them, but again, I don't suggest too much. Of course, also make sure to stay informed and gain insights by connecting with other people. You can join forums, participate in discussion on platforms like Reddit to share strategies and tips. And you can also follow social media and keep up with the official game updates and community events. So by implementing these strategies, you will definitely earn a lot of free cash or a lot of unlimited cash in hotel or My Perfect Hotel or hotel. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.